Who you be a? Who ye papa ne de bonnet yoka? One year papa de won't say be a course smoothly. Your enemies are at work. When you do good, they pay you with evil. You can see that your energy is being drained. Let me tell you, whoever is destroying you is just around yourself. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you a powerful ancient rituals that will help you identify your enemy and send all those bad luck to your enemy. Let me take you through the ingredients that you need for this specific back to sender or enemy arrester rituals. You first need needle. You need lemon. You need glass, empty glass like this, empty glass. You need alligator pepper. And the alligator pepper, the one you need is the one in the full pack of alligator pepper. But mine, I've already done it and it's in the pack like this. Then you need your gin, your dry gin. See that I've poured it into this glass so that it will be easier for us to demonstrate whatever we want to do. And in these rituals, you need to do it early hours without speaking with anybody. Yes, you have to start early hours without talking to anybody. Men no be ankasa because anybody sem na obabe no. Nti wo ko only obi ko kasa pe no. Na fe wo take man na on be ade no, it will wipe off. So for these rituals to succeed and to have effect immediately, you need to take 7 seeds of the alligator at your back. I've already done the purification on the alligator pepper. That's why it's in the pack. But you, when you get yours, just take the full one and turn it to your back. You get it. So you take 7 seeds. 7 seeds. So is it? 7 seeds. 7 seeds of the alligator pepper. So you chew it, but don't swallow it. This alligator pepper helps you to change. It helps to change your tongue for your tongue to become very powerful, so that whatever you say will come to pass. So now you pick your lemon and you say all your intention, which is the prayer. So all the people that you do good to them, don't mention anybody's name. Do not mention names. Otherwise, you end up hunting yourself. That's why you have to think very, very careful before doing this ritual, because you are going to see changes within 7 days. So your intention is your prayer. Whoever is disturbing me, disappointment. When I do good, they pay me with evil. Whoever has planned bad and negativity in my life, as I'm about to do this energy, this ritual, may my ancestors, may the stool of my house. Then if you know or you have any energy, you mention their names, because you are invoking them to come and assist you with these rituals. So your stool name, you mention the name. If you have any energy, you mention their names. Then, when you are done, this is where it becomes critical. You take the pin, the needle, and then you pin it. As you are pinning it, you continue saying your wishes. So you have pinned it and it has come down here. So now it is fully activated. Any energy, when you are praying, you call their names. Any spirits that you know, you mention their name to come and intercede on your behalf. Because how can you do good and it turn out to be evil to you? You do good, your business gets damages. Your marriages don't go on. So this will let you know. So you drop it into your glass like this, empty glass like this. And then you take your dry gin, which I have it here. Then you spit on it and put it like this. This is it. This is how it's going to be like. Now, after you finish pouring the dry gin on top of it, just go and put it on your altar. Put it on your altar. Don't close it. And now observe around your community, in your house. When people start, you definitely, you are going to see somebody who is sick. I'm giving you a clue. When you see people are falling sick or somebody is sick in your house or in your neighborhood, then you come back and come and remove the pin. So when you take it out and you see that the person is feeling normal, then you know that this is the person who is destroying you. This is the person who is at work. This is the person who has sent all negative energies to you. You can decide to help the person to pack his or her bag from this life by getting something to cover it. When you cover it, then that means they are going to bury the person. Yes. So yes, this is how our ancestors, with their powers, taught us. And these rituals, we don't give it out, but I'm just trying to share because a lot of people are going through pain. Your hard-earned money, then they take away from you. So let's not take our ancestors for granted. They have things, but it's just that they didn't document it. They only tell us through generations to generations. Try these rituals and let me know at the comment section. I know you are going to give a testimony. Let me know at the comment section how it went through. I have done it and it's working for me. That is why today I'm sharing it for the whole world to know. This is the lemon pin gin rituals. They drive away or you send back to sender energies to the enemy, your enemy around you. It could be your family member. So you treat cautiously. Please subscribe, like, and share. And there are more other videos on rituals on the channel. Thank you.